Are you looking for ways to make money for your business? Are you looking for extra cash? In this video, we'll be discussing ways businesses can make money online. Let's go. Today, we'll be discussing Amazon Prime Day from October 13 to 14, 2020. This is Business Media TV. My name is Mimi, the Business Advisor. On this channel, we advise business owners on how to start, grow, and sustain their businesses. If you're new to this channel, I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel to find out more information about business. Just a quick, short poem about Amazon. Amazon, the great merchant ship, bringing goods from far and near, building a community of sellers and buyers. Oh, come and see, young and old, male and female, for on the great merchant ship, wealth is created, fortunes are made for generations to come. We're just gonna do a quick walkthrough of the Amazon site. Prime Day, like we said, is October 13th to 14th, and the reason why we're actually talking about this video specifically today is just so you as a business owner can start promoting your business on Amazon. This is what Amazon is planning for businesses or small businesses. So if somebody shop on Amazon from September 28th to October 12th and they spend $10 on select business products, they earn $10 to spend on Prime Day. This offer is exclusively for Prime members. What you can do to help your customers is to encourage them to spend money on your business to earn money towards Prime Day. This is just another way you can market your business and also help your customers. Here it talks about supporting small businesses in home and kitchen, jewelry, toys and games, homemade goods, launch pads, groceries, electronics, pet supplies, and beauty and personal care. So the type of businesses, they're looking at women-owned, innovators, black-owned, military family-owned, and makers. Are you a small business owner? Learn more about selling in Amazon stores. We will drop a link in our show notes. If you want to become a Prime member, you can click that link and go and set up your Prime account. If you've been getting value from this, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. There are millions and millions of businesses on Amazon. Whatever businesses you're involved in, you can probably do something on Amazon. If you're writing books, you're an author, if you're a developer, whatever it is. If you have goods and services that you're creating and selling, this is great for you. It's one of the largest e-commerce business sites right now. Start selling Amazon business. We will actually be uploading another video that will specifically talk about Amazon business, and the merch by Amazon and Amazon Handmade. So those are the very different areas. If you're an influencer or you're an affiliate, this is a way you can make extra money for yourself on the site. So affiliates earn referral fees by advertising products on their site, on blogs or content sites, and influencers earn referral fees by sharing a curated set of products with social media followers. So if you have a huge social media following, then you can become an Amazon influencer and make money. Another way you can make money with Amazon is delivering Amazon packages. So you can build a delivery business, be your own boss, and have a flexible schedule. So this is Amazon Flex and the Amazon delivery service partner. Business owners earn as much as $300,000 in annual profit in operating fleet. Building in the cloud. If you are a developer, you can also monetize building your apps in the Amazon App Store. There's Amazon Marketplace to grow your business by offering ready-to-use software solutions to thousands of customers around the world. If you're a very skilled developer and you can develop an application that will be useful to other people, you can do that. You can create Alexa skills and monetize with in-skill purchasing, subscription, and many more. You can also publish your work, publish your story to an audience waiting with Kindle Direct Publishing, self-published ebooks and paperbacks, reaching millions of readers. With Prime Video Direct, you can reach a global audience, earn money streaming content. Stream your games live. If you're a gamer, you can actually make money from Twitch, generate revenue from viewer subscriptions and more as you grow your following. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.